designed the signpost and had no idea it would be such a draw. No, it's like a priority entrance for the...
Oh, so it's actually the same, but
Yeah.
another exit
Yeah.
or entrance.
See the hamsters coming down?
The details here are really amazing. Very lively.
So delightful. It's a land that you could spend 3 hours walking around. Come back at night and see it again. Totally different vibe at night.
Yeah, it's so fun today.
Yeah. Night is totally different.
Yeah.
This is my favorite. The giraffe fitness studio. Walking the treadmill. See the rats. This is the restroom. It's so pretty though.
Yeah, I didn't see any sign for restroom. I was just seeing people going in.
Main Street.